Here we come to the elevator at Custer Park in Plano, Texas. Before we ride, look at this interesting entrance right here. See, look at this. Look at this. You could literally go out to the side and you're already outside. See, look at this. This is interesting. See? Look at that. You go out and you still enter from here again. See? This is interesting. Look at that. Well, I'll tell you why. Because they actually put in these entrance doors before. These entrances are not original to the building. I mean, this entrance door right here are totally new. You see, if you watch Alex's video from back in 2008, this was not here. This was like wide open until now. So that is why. I mean, imagine if it was locked after hours, you'd still be able to go around. But anyways, enough of all that. Let's ride the elevator. Anyways, I lost the video of this thing when I filmed this thing last time, so I'm finally getting a take on this. Hopefully it's working. The button light is burned out. I really hope it's not broken. Oh, there we go. I didn't push it hard enough. This is a nice elevator. I really want to get a take on this. 2. One. Oh, there's an ADA phone. I thought it used to have a phone box. Anyways, I'm gonna let you listen to the motor again. Here we go. That motor sounded exactly like the Dover freight elevator at Dynasty Plaza. Back down to one end there. The door clutch could use a little bit of adjustment. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.